about me, they hate. And who I'm about to be, the kid has dreams they about to see. They always doubted me, rest in peace to any MC. You ain't got the best of me, the kid is a beast. You can't cool it, he got heat. It's grind over sleep, but these rappers sleeping on me. Fresh ass kid with the fresh ass sneaks. If there's a will, there's a way. Where's my $100 bill? Take this life, call the kill. They sound fucked up, I'm the next to go, the next to blow up. It's my go to headline my own show. J Hoodie bitch, now they know you're gonna see. Always chase my dream, it's grind over sleep. When this track bumps, I don't wanna hear a peep. Sick of proving myself, I'ma let it be. You're gonna see J Hoodie, the demon unleashed. Is it too late to be great? Great. 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 God, was this my fate? Didn't plan for all this hate, I just need a clean slate. Trying to put on for a red wing and my whole damn state. They talk about expectations, I've been paying my dues. I've been patiently waiting, come walking my shoes. These fuck boys hate and these critics hating, but I'm a fucking genius, nobody's seen this. I've never wanted something so bad, man, no one approves it, it's not even my dad. But shit, as the joint capital, black and diamond recordings, put my soul on these tracks. I want the dreams, not the nightmares. I don't wanna wake up in the night till they say life sucks, life ain't fair. You can't tell me nothing, still don't have money, that's fucking right. All odds against me, I got no life, nothing free, just a pen and a pad. All the kid does is right. I go too damn hard, put the pistol in my hand, I won't think. I walk on water, I won't sink. Is it too late to be great? Great. 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 God, was this my fate? Didn't plan for all this hate, I just need a clean slate. Trying to put on for a red wing and my whole damn state. Got a rush in my brain, I can't think straight. I'm going insane, no remorse, that's too late. Late night thoughts on the verge to break. I wonder why me, look at my mistakes. I wonder how they feel, they couldn't handle it. It's all too real, I'm so high but I feel so low. No motion picture, my life in slow-mo. All they fed me was doubt, they still do. Wait till I stand out, ain't up for shit, take no handout. Did all this on my own, I'm still in it all alone. Watch my grandma die, please bless my soul. They stab my heart, this world's so cold, and I don't know, I keep my circle close. It's a long road to success, it's a path I chose. From the ash I rose, I've fallen and I've risen, don't tempt me. My heart stays timid, my mind stays in it. It ain't over till the finish, can't judge me, I don't got a fucking image. I'm so limited, I'm so fucking sick of it. Fuck what you say, that bullshit, get rid of it. I'm never gonna quit, I talk too much, not to spit. I see you talking, keep it up, bitch. This for the underdogs, I ain't even getting paid shit.